Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's common expression is your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. It means you don't know. So in context, when someone asks you a question and you don't know the answer, and it's quite an informal situation, you can say, your guess is as good as mine. I've no idea. So neither of you know. If you're the person asking the question and you say, what time are they supposed to get here? The other person could say, your guess is as good as mine. I thought they were supposed to be here an hour ago. It's important to get the stress and the pronunciation right. It should descend at the end, not rise like a question. So listen. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Mine. Your guess is as good as mine. So another example. If someone says, oh Lordy, how are we going to get this finished? I don't know how to do it. You could say, if you don't know, your guess is as good as mine. I think we're stuffed. Note, in context, if a superior or a manager to yourself asks you a question and you don't know the answer, it's not appropriate to tell them, your guess is as good as mine. That would seem rude and inappropriate. So it's to your equal or to your friends or in a relatively informal situation. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. I would be thrilled if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow for another extremely useful phrase, idiom, expression, or popular word to help you with your English pronunciation. Thank you. Bye-bye.